CSS is a stylesheet language that describes the presentation of web pages. It describes how an HTML document should look. It's a stylesheet language. This means that CSS consists of a collection of formatting rules which identify elements in the document that we wish to control and the properties that we wish to set. Styles are applied in the order that they are found, and since styles can be placed in several different locations, this often results in a cascade of styles, from external documents all the way down to locally placed styles. So if you don't get it now, don't worry. It will be easy to grasp once we explore all these concepts. So let's open the text editor and have an example. So within the head element, let's add a style element. So if I save it out and click on live preview, so now the web page has a black background. In the next course, we'll learn the syntax of CSS.